Hi friends, welcome to our channel Mia Rish. In today's video, I'm going to share the review of this hair dryer, and also I'm going to share everything that a hair dryer user must know, right from beginners to experts. So now let's get into the video. So the hair dryer which I'm going to review today is Vegas Pro Expert 2200 watts professional hair dryer with diffuser and 2 detachable nozzles. So the product comes in this cardboard packaging, and we have the appliances inside the box. So as usual, on the cardboard box we can find their branding and a small introductory part about the hair dryer, and its key features are also clearly mentioned. So let's have a quick look on its unboxing video. Inside the cardboard box, we are getting a hair dryer with 2 concentrator nozzles and a diffuser, a warranty card and a user manual. We get 1 year warranty for this particular hair dryer. The hair dryer comes with a thermal protection with 2 speed settings and 2 heat settings, and with a cool shot button to style our hair. To use, just plug in the cord and then switch on the speed setting from 0 to 1. For normal blow drying, I would recommend you to go for speed setting 2 and a heat setting 1. So the hair will get dried between some 10 to 15 minutes, and if you are in a hurry and you have to blow dry your hair very fast, then in that case you can go for heat setting 2. I have added the concentrator nozzle to the hair dryer now. I would recommend anyone to purchase the hair dryer with these nozzles, because it will be very comfortable for us to blow dry the specific sections of hair, and it will be very useful while we style our hair as well. After 30 seconds you can change to speed setting 2, and you can switch over to heat setting 2 as well. We also have a cool shot button here. Switch on to speed setting 1 or 2 and keep on holding this button for cool air. In this case, the air will not be so cool, but will be under a normal room temperature. If you feel your hair is too sensitive to heat, then definitely apply a heat protection spray and then blow dry your hair. In normal days, I don't use any heat protection spray or serums. I just apply a normal hair serum and then I used to just blow dry my hair. At times when I use my blow dryer with heat setting 2, I definitely use my hair protection spray along with the serum and then I used to blow dry my hair. In the same way, you can just fix the diffuser and blow dry your hair. The main use of the diffuser is to dry your hairs right from the roots and also to make your hair look voluminous. For dry, frizzy and curly hair beauties, diffuser will be really helpful. And for others, purchasing a hair dryer with diffuser is really an optional one. So the heat protection spray which I am using is L'Oreal Paris Studio Pro Heat Protection Spray. I have been using this heat protection spray since years. I use this every time before I apply any heat to my hair, while straightening, curling or while blow drying with heavy heat. This L'Oreal Paris Heat Protection Spray is formulated for hair dryers and straighteners with up to 230 degrees Celsius heat protection. I'll leave the link below in the description section. You can definitely check this out. So now, pros and cons about this hair dryer. So this hair dryer comes with thermal protection, 2 speed settings, 2 heat settings, 2 nozzles and a diffuser, a cool short button to style your hairstyle, removable end cap for easy cleaning, the next attractive feature of this hair dryer is its cord. The cord's length is so long so that we can easily connect and work even if our dressing table or mirror is so far from the plug point. It's a really attractive feature. This hair dryer is equipped with the automatic overheating protecting device, hanging loop for easy storage which comes under pros, and for cons side, I would say this hair dryer is little heavy, so that the beginners may find it difficult in using it initially and they will get used to it on repeated usages. And you can't also fold this hair dryer, so it's not easy to carry this hair dryer in your handbags. So now let's ponder over some tips every hair dryer user must follow. Do not insert any object or particle into the inlet and outlet grills to avoid electrical shock and any damages to the appliance. If the air inlet is damaged, stop using the hair dryer immediately. Keep your hair dryer at least 10 cm away from the air inlet while using the appliance. Do not leave the appliance unattended when it is plugged into the electrical socket or switched on. Switch off the hair dryer at 0 position after use and before it is unplugged from the electrical socket. Always unplug it from the electrical socket after use. Always grasp the plug while unplugging. Failure to do so may lead to fire or accident. So here comes the price of this hair dryer, which is 2,799. But always we have offers in Amazon. Currently it's priced at 2,099 rupees in Amazon, but when I purchased the offer price was 1,799 only. I personally feel this hair dryer is worth buying for this price as it gives us so many features and benefits. If you find this hair dryer little pricier, I have also mentioned some alternative hair dryers links in the description section below. You can definitely check that also. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. So if you find our video useful, then please consider subscribing to our channel, like, mention your comments in the comment section below and share to your friends who might find this useful. Thank you.